Hello, today in this video we are going to talk about equivalent fractions. So what are equivalent fractions? So equivalent fractions are basically same fractions like 1/2, 1/4 or 5/10. Wait, give me one minute. 5/10 and 2/4 or 6/12. So in the fraction there are two sections. So this part which I have highlighted over here, the sixth part, if we go to, I'll just copy this. Okay, so this I took a 6. So in this, the fraction is 6 out of 12. So so there are two parts in a fraction. They are the numerator and the denominator. Actually, if on your notebooks it would have it like this. If we're writing it by hand, it needs to be like a 6 over here, and there's a line over there, and then for example, I put a 12 over here. So I forgot the line, and on the keyboard you can't do that. Let me try. Yeah, so this is how it should look like. So so the top part of a fraction is called a numerator. This part is called a numerator. So the numerator is the number of the fraction of how much it should be. So like if we have a pizza over here, imagine there was a pizza over here. I could draw it. So this is a pizza. Sorry, it wasn't perfect. So this is a pizza, and I take out the ruler. Okay, no need for that. And oops, that's a little ugly. Give me 1 minute. Imagine this was the So imagine this was the pizza, and there was this part is divided. So it's divided by 4. Let's try by 4. No, that doesn't look good. So I'm not good at this. So like that. Okay, that looks perfect. So there is 4 shaded parts. So there are 4 parts here. As you can see, there are 4 parts over there, and our fraction is 2. Wait, give me 1 minute. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. So we are also linking this to another subject of halves. So you might think, why are we linking this to halves? So we are linking this to halves by see. So 2/4. If we I'll give you a real life explanation. So what is the half of 4? The half of 4, obviously, the answer is 2. So when you check the numerator over here, the numerator is 2. The numerator is 2 over here, and the denominator is 4. So 2 out of 4 equals to 1 half. 1 half. Oh, sorry, my handwriting on my laptop is weird. So we can also, equivalent fractions can be divided into more fractions. Like 1 half can be divided to 5/10. So what is the unit fraction over here? So a unit fraction, let me type that. So a unit fraction is a fraction that has that the numerator is 1. So it is a number its numerator to 1. Okay. If you have a rough notebook over here, you can take a small note of this. And there's also another rule in fractions. Whatever you do to the numerator, you got to do it to the denominator. And that's a rule that in my fractions, decimals, etc. Right here, over here. Okay. So can you think of other fractions that would be equivalent to 5/10? Did we forget? Well, there are more, like if we just say 6 out of 12. 6 out of 12. 1 half 2. So let's go to the easier ones first. So this is 2 out of 4. So how do we shade 2 out of 4 on a pizza? So I'll just take pizza. So it needs to be 1 part shaded. So it's 1 part shaded over here now. Now 1 part is shaded. The another part, and oops. Give me 1 minute. So another part has been shaded over here. Okay, that looks pretty obvious. Okay, so over here, this part is shaded. This part is shaded. So this part is blank. So these two fractions. So this pictogram is the same. The left part is covered in white, and the right part has been shaded. So this is the right part. This is the left part. They look the same. They look identically the same, but this forms into 1 half. Okay, I'll just off my pen for a sec. Okay. So you can find out answers find out fractions using many steps, like number lines. So I'll try doing number lines with you guys. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so for number line, I need a neat drag out the ruler. Oops. Turn this to a 90-degree turn. Oops. Okay, never mind. I can do a turn like this. Okay, make a number line. number line. I got a number line over here. This number line looks a little slanted because yeah, there we go. That looks awesome. And so to find the fraction, so we need to find a fraction of, let's make a fraction of, so I'll make some lines over here. Okay, this is practically a lot of